Well, howdy folks. If you're looking to go low carb without missing out on that crunch, you came to the right place. We're making the crispiest keto jalapeno popper bites in the air fryer. Let's gather up our filling ingredients. Grab your 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, that's our creamy base. Toss in your 3 diced jalapenos. Use more or less depending on how brave you feel. Then add a 1/4 cup of bacon bits for that savory smoke. We're gonna make this thing gooey with 2 cups of grated Monterey Jack cheese. Time for some flavor. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. Finish it with a pinch of salt and pepper. Now mix all that good stuff up until it's completely combined. You want a smooth, uniform filling. Take a small scoop and roll that mixture into perfect little bite-sized balls. Set them aside. Next, we get our coating ready. In one bowl, whisk up 2 large eggs with 1 tablespoon of heavy cream. In a second bowl, pour out 2 cups of crushed pork rinds. Take your cheese ball, dip it in the egg wash, then roll it right through those crushed pork rinds until it's completely covered. This is the secret to the crunch. Now, load your coated bites into your air fryer basket. Give them a quick spritz with your cooking spray to help them crisp up golden brown. Air fry those bad boys until they are golden brown and crunchy. Pull them out, let them cool for just a minute, and you've got yourself a batch of crispy, creamy, spicy popper bites. That's it, folks. All the flavor you need, 0 breadcrumbs. Find the full recipe details down below. Thanks for stopping by.